We're here at Marriott's Harbour Point and Sunset Point in Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. And we just happen to be staying in a 2-bedroom villa in the Pelican building in Harbour Point. I'm gonna take you on a tour of it right after this. But as soon as we come into the villa here, just inside the door, looks like there's a small little closet here. That's where you're gonna find sweeper, broom, and a dustpan, as well as just a little bit of storage in here. And then in here, we kind of have the master, the primary bedroom. So we'll check that out first. Here we do have king size bed, a couple of nightstands. This room hasn't been renovated, it doesn't look like, because, well, the furniture is kind of a little dated. Unfortunately, didn't get a renovated room. Small television up here on the wall. And then over here, it does look like they kind of have a pretty good size jetted tub in here. So nice jetted tub. It's not too big, really only big enough for maybe, I guess, one person. And a bit of a view out to the small patio out here. We'll take a look at that here in just a moment. Yeah, just a king size bed in here. It looks like they also put your pool towels in here. And there is a pretty good size kind of closet over here. A lot of bifold doors. Maybe they're getting rid of these. During the renovations, it's where you'll find in-room safe, ironing board, and some additional bedding. So then over here, there is some additional storage, and there is also a laundry basket up there. That side does actually open up, but it doesn't look like I actually need to open that. So we'll just get that all closed off. Then heading in here into the bathroom, you do have a double vanity, sink, plenty of towels. Looks like a pretty small shower. You have your shower head, your pump, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash down there. And then it looks like this kind of saloon style door that swings in and out, kind of where the water closet is with the toilet. So now we've seen that, let's just head out to the patio here. I think there might actually be a couple of patios here, one off the master and maybe another one off the living room. So let's go out here and take a look at this one. So yeah. Nice little patio here, a couple of chairs and a small table, and a nice view out here to the marsh. And of course you have the pool down here, I believe, which is for Harbour Point. There's also a hot tub down there. We'll show you a full resort tour and I'll link to it at the end of the video. Let's head back inside the door here and we'll continue throughout the villa. So coming down here, it looks like you kind of have a full-length mirror, and there's some type of closet here. I'm not sure what this is. No, it's just where the air conditioning unit is. So nothing special going on in here. So we'll get that closed up and we'll continue into the kitchen, dining room, and living area. Yeah, so coming in here, we do have the dining room, living room. We'll take a look at those here a little bit closer in a moment. We have a couple of stools up against the bar here, granite countertops, nice stainless steel appliances. You have a dishwasher, oven with a range, microwave, and a refrigerator over there. Of course, here on the countertop, you have some starting kitchen supplies, sink, dish towels, paper towels, some coffee supplies, coffee maker, knife block. There is a blender way back in there, and then a toaster. And well, here is the refrigerator. It has an ice maker in. Let's make sure we get that turned on so it's making ice for us. So freezer with a refrigerator, pretty good size. And then right beside that, you actually have a stacked kind of high efficiency washer and dryer. Now across from that, we do have this little closet here. And I noticed in here, well, it's where you're gonna find the pots and pans. So now that we've seen that, let's take a look in the cabinets and the drawers here. So in here, you do have your utensils, looks like for 6 people. And then in here, some cooking utensils. Probably more cooking utensils. They got a pizza wheel there. And then down here, even more cooking utensils. They like to spread this stuff out. And let's see what we might have under the oven. There is a broiler pan, and I notice there's a baking sheet under there too. Over here, looks like some more cooking utensils, pair of tongs, and that one's empty. Let's see what we might have down here. Kind of a little drawer down here that has some serving dishes and serving bowls. And then over here, looks like we might have a pitcher in here, and then some storage containers down here as well. And let's just take one quick look in the cabinets here. We do have dinnerware for 6, as well as glassware, bowls, cups, all that stuff. Let's make sure there's nothing up here above the microwave. Oh, looks like we have some measuring cups and a salad bowl. So that is the kitchen area. Out here we do have a dining room table for 6 people. Great big mirror on the wall. Now this might all change quite a bit once they get these rooms renovated. Just have to wait and see. But over here we kind of have a little bench area, some storage, kind of a TV stand, even though the television's kind of up on the wall. And I'm not sure, does this angle quite a bit over towards the living room area? And it does look like it does that. So it's kind of awkward positioning here for the television with the living room. So that's not really all that ideal. Going in here, we do have a fireplace. So you can fire up the fireplace. I'm sure it's gas. Definitely kind of help keep this place warm in the wintertime. And here you do have sofa. I'm pretty sure that probably pulls out into a sleeper, and it does. And we have a coffee table down here, as well as a chair. Now I notice off of this room, there's actually 2 patios. There's one over here, there's one over here. So let's go take a look at this one here first. So actually kind of surprising, 3 patios in this villa. And it kind of has that swing lock, and we can open it up. This one's actually a pretty good size. It does have 4 chairs and a patio table. Kind of a nice corner unit here. And this one here does have really nice views out here to the marsh and to the water. So really beautiful views. We can see down below us here. There's some gas grills out there as well. So let's go back inside and we'll continue taking a look around. We have another bedroom to look at, as well as another patio. Yeah, so here's the other patio. We'll go out here, take a look at this one. Again, 4 more chairs and a table. This one you can actually exit off of what is the guest bedroom in there, and we'll take a look at that here in just a moment. But again, some nice views out here to the marsh and the waterway here. So let's make our way back inside here and we'll take a look at the guest bedroom. So this one just does have twin beds. Now I didn't really point it out in the master, but I'll mention it here, as well as in here. They do have ceiling fans both in the master and in this bedroom. There wasn't one in the living room, but in here we do have a nightstand, exposed USB and power. And then down here, just a pretty small television, kind of like they had in the master bedroom. And there's the exit out to the patio from this room. Now let's go in here. The bathroom is this way, so let's stop and take a look at these closets along the way. Nothing really going on in there. And on the other side of that, another closet, just some place to hang some clothes, store some of your belongings while you're here at Harbour Point. Then heading into the guest bath, just kind of a small bathroom here, just a single vanity. You have your toilet here, and then you have a bathtub with a shower. And also in here, it looks like another closet, so there's really no shortage of closets in this unit. Well, never mind, it's not a closet, it's the water heater. So that's it, the 2-bedroom villa here at Marriott's Harbour Point, co-located with Sunset Point as well. And if you want to see another video from the property, as I mentioned earlier on, there will be a full resort tour, Marriott's Harbour Point and Sunset Point here on Hilton Head Island, South Carolina. Well, check it out right here. Click on that link there, it'll take you over to watch that video. Thanks for watching, and remember, until next time, the best destination is always a timeshare.